secret weapon, which is their styling kit. We'll see what are the must-haves we should carry in our styling kit. If you want to become your own stylist, then you should ready your styling kit today. So let's see what's in my styling bag. Well, this is the bag that I used as a styling kit. So you can see this bag has a lot of space, enough space, and a lot of compartments to keep all the stuff. And this side also you can keep all the clips, the pens and everything that you need. So this is my styling kit, the one that I use. So without further ado, let's know what are the must-have styling essentials and what are their uses. Number one, we have the most basic here, a thread and a needle. Also some buttons that you might need, a thread and a needle for a minor adjustment and alteration you might need to do on the set. And number two, we have measuring tape. Some garments might require minor adjustment, so for the accurate measurement you should carry one measuring tape with you in your styling kit. Next, we have a scissor to cut the loose end and tags from the clothes. Then we have a lint roller to remove the fuzz and hair from the clothes. So we remove one layer, and you see the sticky layer. This is used to remove all the fuzz. Then we have a steamer. Always carry a mini hand steamer. Usually photos Photoshop ho jate hain, but for a video you need a steamer for wrinkle-free outfit. Next up we have a fashion tape. So I use this one. It's very easy to remove this. You can see we have this thing in here. So you cut the fashion tape that you want. It has two layers. And then if you want something to just sit, so for example for this top, if I put the fashion tape in my skin and then my top, then you will see that's totally attached. Now it will not move. So that's how we use a fashion tape. Another must-have you should carry in your fashion styling kit is a boob tape and nipple pasties. So a boob tape is used for lift up cleavage when you're wearing backless or deep neck dress or top. Make sure to use a quality boob tape or else it will fall off. For sheer and strapless fabric, we have nipple pasties. Then we have a masking tape and double-sided tape. A masking tape is used to tape the back of the shoes in order to protect the shoes as well as the white backdrop. Then these binder clips, again for adjusting clothes used for photo shoots. Keep both small and big ones in your styling kit. Then again, a very small and useful thing in your styling kit, a rubber band. You can adjust belts, scrunch up sleeves, necklaces, clothes, also good for grouping things together. Sometimes models forget to get the nude tights and a nude bra. We should always carry these in our styling kit, as sometimes models forget to get theirs and you have a sheer outfit for them. Now lastly, these zip bags. These versatile bags holds everything from removed tags, bills, a model's jewelry. So I carry these bags in almost all the sizes to keep things organized. For your convenience, I've also linked these must-have styling essentials in the description box below. So there you have it folks, my ultimate styling kit revealed. What are your secret weapons when it comes to fashion emergencies? Share your must-have items in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.